Hey guys, wanna know how to earn rewards in PUBG Mobile Royale Pass A13? But no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application, and on the top right around here you can see this RP icon right here. Now, in order to earn rewards in Royale Pass A13, you need to complete tasks. So on the right side you can see this checkbox icon right here. Just simply select it, and now you can see various week 2 and week 1 challenges. So for now we are on week 2, so if you have completed week 1 challenges, we can just simply focus on week 2. And right here you can see various tasks such as spend 60 minutes in a matches, eliminate 10 enemies, and so on. Now once you have completed your missions, here you can just simply see the rewards coming up based on if you are on elite pass or free pass, and just simply select collect all right here. And after that is done, your rewards will be collected and acquired just like this. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.